Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this tutorial I will explain how you can find the hex code of any color with the help of Python. For that you must install this web colors. So just install this pip install web colors and it will install this package, web color package, in your system. So you can see it has successfully installed web colors package with its version. Now I will write the code and you can see now from this package I will import this name to hex. So from web color package just import name to hex, and here what I am doing is very simple code. I am defining a function which will give me the code. So function name is color name to code, and here I will pass the color name. So I will take the input from the user, so input any color name and I will pass it in variable color name, and then what I will do, I will call this function color name to code and pass this variable in the function. So what I will do, I will take the input from the user, store it in variable, and then pass that variable value to this function color name to code. And what this function is doing, it's simply calling this name to hex which I have already imported. You can see name to hex I am imported, and I am passing the color name here, and it is returning me the color code. So I am returning the color code, and in case of exception, in case of value either, in case of any color which is not a proper color, any name which is not a color, it will return me none. So I am using try and except in my function color name to code. So very simple code. Just take the input from the user, pass it in this function, and then use name to hex to find the color code. So let's run this. So when I run, so let's enter color name red and press enter. You can see the hex code of the red color. Let's rerun this. So let's run this, and now I will pass yellow, press enter, and you can see the yellow color. Similarly you can enter any color and then you can find the hex code of that color. So very simple code, it's very simple. So in this way you can find the hex code of any color. That's it. Thank you for watching.